Okay, now we study about the stability analysis using Routh-Hurwitz stability criterion. Okay, the stability of a feedback or a closed loop system is directly related to the location of the characteristic equation of the system transfer function. By using Routh-Hurwitz method, we can determine the stability of the system without determining the characteristic root equation. The Routh-Hurwitz stability method provides an answer to the question of the stability by considering the characteristic equation of the system, where the characteristic equation in the Laplace variable is written as follow. Delta S it is equal Rs it is equal to an s power n plus an minus 1 s power n minus 1 till the a0 and then equal to 0. And then to ascertain the stability of the system, it is necessary to determine whether any one pole of Rs lies in the right half of the S-plane. The necessary condition for all the root be in the left hand S-plane or stable are: one is all the coefficient of the polynomial AI must have same sign. Then all the root of the left hand S-plane. The second is the number of root in the right hand S-plane is equal to the number of changes in sign in the element in the first column of the Routh-Hurwitz array. And then the third is all the coefficient be non-zero. Routh-Hurwitz criteria we use to analyze the system, especially for the system that have highest order. If the order more than 3, it is difficult to determine the root of the characteristic equation, and then we can use Routh-Hurwitz stability criteria. Okay. The Routh-Hurwitz criteria is based on the ordering the coefficient of the characteristic equation. Now we have no previous. This is the characteristic equation, and then we transfer into array form. That is the array form. The first row it is for the highest order, the highest power of the S. It is n. It is the an. It is for an minus 2, an minus 4, an minus 6, and etc. The second it is an minus 1, an minus 3, an minus 5, and etc. Next it is for the variable that we should calculate for this. The v1 until before etc. C1 and then S1, G1, K1. It is all we calculate the value. Okay, how we calculate this all value? It is with the following mechanism. This for B1. It is the value is minus 1 per an minus 1 and the matrix is an minus 1, an minus 2, an minus 3, and then we can get this. And then for this is for B2, C1, C2, and so on until K1. Okay, three distinct cases or configuration of the first column array must be considered, and it must be treated separately and requires suitable modification of the array calculation procedure. First, there is no element in the first column is 0. There is a 0 in the first column, but some other element of the row containing the 0 in the first column are non-zero. There is a 0 in the first column, and the other element of the row containing the 0 are also 0. That is the procedure. Okay. Case 1. Example, the characteristic equation of the third order system. That is the characteristic equation Rs equal to s power 3 plus 4s square plus 6s and plus 5, and then we transfer into the array. The highest is s power 3 until s power 0. There is a 1, there is an, there is 1, and then there is a 2, there is 6, and then a 1, it is 4, there is a 4, 5, and then we should calculus B1 and C1. Okay, and B2, this is equal to 0. If you want to know why 0, you can also try to calculate it. And how we calculate B1, that is the mechanism. We take its 4 variable, that is C1, 4, 6, 5. It is 1 per minus 1 per 4 per this variable, and then we get 4.75, and then for C1, and then we got 5. It means there is all the value in the first column, it is non-zero, and then no sign is changed, and then it means all the root of the characteristic equation in the left hand of the exponent. Therefore, the system is stable. Okay, this case 1. Next, we look at the for case 2. Consider the following characteristic equation into Rs s power 5 plus 2s power 4 plus 2s power 3 plus 4s power 2 and plus 11f s, and then plus 10. And then in this case, first we substitute the value of a1 until a1, a2, a3, a4, a6, 7. This we substitute this value, and then we should calculate C1, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, D3, and E1. And then for C1, for B1, in this case we calculate B1. This is minus 1 per we calculate B1. I want to show how we calculate B1. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Next In the example, I will give you how to calculate this one. B1. B1 it means 1 minus 1 per this per 2, and then multiple 1 2 2 4. 1 2 2 4. It means the result is 0. The result is 0, and then we change with the this value. Because of 0, we change with epsilon to avoid the 0. Okay, change with the epsilon here. Okay, and then it is for D1. And then C1 D1 can be found be found by taking limit epsilon to 0, and then therefore we get that C1 limit epsilon to 0 for E for epsilon minus 12 per epsilon. It is minus 12 per epsilon minus infinite, and then for D1 we get 6 epsilon limit epsilon to 0. It is 6 C1 minus 10 epsilon per C1, and then we get stick. Because of there are two sign changes on the first column, and therefore the system unstable. Here you see for C1, we look at here again. C1, this positive, this negative, and then change again here to be positive. It means to sign it change, negative and positive again. Why the system is unstable? Okay, next case number 3. Consider the following characteristic equation: Rs equal to s power 7 plus 5 s power 6 plus 9 s power 5 plus 9 s power 4 plus 4 s power 3 plus 20 s power 2 plus z6 s plus z6. Determine the stability of the system. And then first we develop the array. That is we got from this formula. It's all, and then B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, and then it is D1, D2. Okay, there is here the problem because of you see here S3 is 0. Okay, all the element in the S3 S power 3 line is 0. Therefore we need an auxiliary polynomial AS to solve the problem. If we find like that, we should need auxiliary polynomial. Okay, the auxiliary polynomial AS is the equation of the row preceding the row of 0. Therefore in this case we have 9 s power 4. I think we got from here, we got from the previous line. This is the previous line, because you see S3 this is 0 all, and then we use previous line. This it mean here is s power 4. From this line we get this formula, and then we differentiate. We taking differentiation from this formula, and then we get that this d s per d delta d as per ds. This we get 36 s power 3. It means we take it here for s power 3 36 and all this 0, and then you continue it. Here you will get 0, and then you change with epsilon, and this, if here is B, C, D, E, and this F. If you calculate for F, you get minus here, and this is the last. It means here there is the sign, it is changed, positive into negative, and then again to positive. There is two sign it is changed in this case. This system it is not stable because of there are two sign change in the first column. You see there are two sign change here, positive to negative, and then negative into positive. It means two sign change, and then the system it is unstable. Okay. Next, we look at another example using Hurwitz criterion. Determine the stability of the closed loop system that has the following characteristic equation. First, it is s power 4 plus 22 s power 3 plus 164 s square plus 450 x s, and then plus 315 equal to 0, and then the second it is 2 s power 4 plus s power 3 plus 3s square plus 5s plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. That is for first solution. For first, since all the coefficients are non-zero and are same sign, we found from the root array. Okay, that is we got from this formula. This all we got from that formula, and there is C1, C2, and then C1, C2, we get this, and then there is the result. And D1 and D1 and E1, that is value for D1, and there is value for E1. Okay, all we see that is the positive. That is the complete variable. Since there are no sign change in the first column, it is you see here sign all positive, no sign exchange. The equation does not have any root in the right half as plane, and then system is stable. Proof it is a system is said to be stable if only if all the closed loop pull in the left hand as plane. The system is absolutely stable because of if you use for example polynomial calculator, how to find the root. You can use polynomial calculator. For example, you can get this root. All the root is negative. It means all pull it is in left hand as a plane. All the system it means the system is stable. And okay, for the second, it is the complete result. You see here there is a sign change, two sign change. It is from positive negative into positive again. There are two changes in sign the first column. positive into negative, and then positive again. The equation has two root in the right half as plane. It means the system unstable. Okay. Okay. Next we look at the application of the Routh-Hurwitz stability criterion. Okay. Usually you can use it method in root locus. Root locus sometimes we apply Routh-Hurwitz criteria to find the constant k, for example. Okay, there is a control system with PI controller as shown by the following block diagram. There is the controller, PI controller, and then there is the system, the model of the system or the transfer function of the system. Okay, a control system with PI controller as shown by the following block diagram. It is the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is 1 plus GS has S for transfer function multiple feedback transfer function. In this case, the system is unity feedback. Okay, then we substitute all the values. Okay, we get this, and then we can make it simple, and then there is the characteristic equation. Or if we assume that A0, that is K C W omega square n, and A1, that is K C omega square n Ti, and then A2, that is 2 T omega n, and then the array is become like this. The array become like this. After you measure this two line we get from this formula, and then here and here, this we determine it, and then in order system stable, this value A and this value A2 and this should be more than 1, and then from this we get that A1 multiple A2 minus A0 should more than 0. Okay. And then we know that okay, what is A1, A2, and A0? We substitute these values, and then we get this. At the end we get that in order system stable, Ti should more than 1 per 2 C omega n square. See, it is the damping ratio of the system, and then omega n, it is the natural frequency of the system. Okay, that is the need in order system to be stable. Okay, there is the this is the first example, and then we look at another example. That is a control system with given the following. It is the proportional controller. This the gain K. That is amplifier. Amplifier is although can say as a controller, and that is the plant or the system. And then this is the formula. Here we should find K in order system stable. Okay, that is the formula for characteristic equation. and then by substitute the values here, the value of gain, we can get this is the characteristic equation, and then we substitute into the root area this value 2 line first. This we get from this formula or this equation, characteristic equation, and then this and this we calculate using the previous method that I have explained to you. Okay, for stability, K must be positive. All the element in the first column must be positive in order system stable. It means K it is should write in order the same, capital K. Okay, should write capital K here in order the same. It is K. Mean although it is K. Okay. K should it means this should be more than 0, and then 1.4 minus K per 1.4 should also more than 0. Here we get that K more than 0, and then K less than 1.4. Okay, the rank of the K for the stability, it is K more than 0 and then less than 1.4. If for example, if you choose 1 and then you get a root, this S equal to minus 1.24, and then minus this is the root minus 0.0x plus minus j0 0.x9, and then if you see here, if K more than if K equal to 2, it means more than 1.4, the system unstable, because you see here this part, the real part of the imaginary root, it is positive. It means the system it is unstable. The Hurwitz stability criterion allow us to check for the stability without computing the root of the characteristic equation, and can be used to determine the rank of parameter that guarantees stable. Okay, it is all about the stability, chapter 4. Okay,